Hello, everybody. My name is Bryce Watson, and today I'm here to discuss the effects of alcohol on the human body. So, alcohol is defined as a colorless, flammable liquid that is produced by natural fermentation of sugars, and it can come in the form of wine, beer, spirits, and other drinks. Alcohol causes the body to slow down by affecting the brain's neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are used by the brain to relay messages throughout the body and tells the body which actions to perform. As alcohol is consumed, the body's response time after receiving those messages from neurotransmitters is slowed down. The main purpose of alcohol varies from individual to individual, but the most common purposes are to relieve stress, to become brave and have that confidence about yourself, to have fun, and to feel that drunk sensation. Although alcohol consumption, when performed correctly, does not cause major damage to the body over limited periods of time, when consuming high amounts of alcohol over an extended period of time, the effects of the body can be deadly. Alcohol, like most other substances, has both major and minor effects to the human body. During the consumption of alcoholic beverages is where the minor consequences primarily occur. As the alcohol enters the bloodstream and begins circulating throughout the body, the brain slowly begins losing control of bodily functions. Drinking can begin to cause temporary loss of functions such as memory and coordination. Some of the several short-term effects that I have listed here are slurred speech, vision impairment, lack of coordination, extreme shifts in mood, memory lapses, slowed breathing, and violent actions. Although all of these effects are not commonly present at the same time, there are instances where multiple, if not all, of these effects become present within a drinker. Increased amounts of alcohol in one sitting can worsen these short-term effects, and many people react differently to alcohol consumption. Some individuals maintain sobriety longer than others. However, even the person with the highest alcohol tolerance feels all of these short-term effects eventually. So just like the minor short-term effects that occur during the consumption of alcoholic beverages, multiple major long-term effects become present and eventually become fatal. Heavy drinking can result in many health defects on the body, but the most common has to be liver damage. Once alcohol enters the body, it is identified as a toxin and it is sent to the liver to be flushed out. As the liver is overwhelmed with the amount of alcohol that is being consumed, the alcohol begins to devour liver cells, and over an extended period of time, it kills off these liver cells and creates a disease known as fatty liver disease. This disease means that the liver is not working correctly and it's not producing as it should be due to the alcohol corrosion. The liver is not the only major organ that is affected by heavy drinking. Another one is heart damage. The heart is greatly affected and eventually causes problems that lead to death. Heavy drinking can lead to increased blood pressure, and increased blood pressure is often a cause of heart attacks and stroke, which can be fatal. Also, heavy drinking over extended periods of time can cause the heart's muscles to weaken and decrease the efficiency of the heart to pump blood throughout the body. Another major effect of alcoholism is the risk of severe nerve damage, also known as alcoholic neuropathy. This nerve damage can lead to unusual feelings in both the arms and the legs, reduced mobility throughout the body, and the loss of bodily functions. Some symptoms of alcoholic neuropathy are cramps, muscle spasms, muscle weakness, tingling, constipation, difficulty swallowing, dizziness or fainting, impaired speech, and vomiting or nausea. The only real treatment for alcoholic neuropathy is to stop drinking immediately or reduce the amount of alcohol consumed. Other than this method of treatment, some others are taking vitamin supplements, pain relievers, or physical therapy, but these types of treatments are not 100% ways to cure alcoholic neuropathy. Another serious major effect of alcoholism that many people are unaware of is the link of increased risks of cancer with alcohol consumption. Many types of cancer are linked to alcohol consumption, but some of the most common ones are mouth cancer, throat cancer, esophagus cancer, liver cancer, colon cancer, and breast cancer. All of these long-term effects can lead to death in many individuals if the alcohol rate of consumption maintains for a certain level of time. And alcohol is linked to many major as well as minor effects to the human body. Some of the minor effects are slurred speech, vision impairment, lack of coordination, extreme shifts in mood, memory lapses, slowed breathing, and violent actions. And the long-term effects are liver damage, heart damage, nerve damage, increased risk of cancer, and in many cases, death. All of these effects have a negative impact on the human body, and in order to prevent these effects, the best option that I would give would be to stay away from all alcoholic beverages, especially when being consumed in abundance. Thank you.